That's Skarloey's talking to.
Hello, Skarloey. Who's this?
Hello, Lenias. This is Duke. He used to work for Peter Salmons, handles all the railway.
Yes, hello there.
Ah, yes, I know you. Peter Salmon Serrano told us stories about you.
Ah, those two little scallywags.
Now, Duke, I was told you were locked in a shed through these years.
It wasn't the best thing in the world not talking to anyone, but I was eventually found by my grace.
At least you could start working again.
Now that's a voice I know very well.
Freddy, my dear engine, how have you been?
Very good, thanks. Why are you here?
I'll tell you later.
Well, Duke, now that you can be really useful again, you know what they say. If your wheels aren't whirring, you
You
aren't being a
aren't
really
being a
useful
really
engine.
useful engine.